Has this ever happened to you in Excel? You want to drag down a number and copy it down the column. However, the number changes as you go down and the database is too large to be doing one at a time. So instead of doing one at a time for all of your database, we're going to just use this formula. Copy it here, and this you can actually drag down and it will change the number as you jump from one record set to the next. So 159 is copied all the way down to the bottom line of the record set. 125 is the next number, it gets copied as well. 147, same thing. And you can drag this one down all the way to the bottom. In addition, the formula works with text as well. Let's copy this formula here, and we need to link it. In this case, we're gonna repeat the name of the state down our database. See, you can see Virginia is copied down all the way to the bottom of the record set, then Maryland, then Washington, and so forth. This is very useful. Let's say you want to construct a pivot table. We can call this record 2 and this state 2, and we insert a pivot table, and now you can actually use your new data to present the budgets in different ways. So let's put the amount here, and the state 2, we're gonna use it as a filter. So at this moment, this is all the budgets combined. However, I can come here and select one state, and it'll give me the budget for that state or multiple states. And this is just one example, but now you can use the data or present the data in different ways. Hope you find this useful. If you did, please give me a like.